In this video, I'm going to show you how to use statcrunch to find individual values that lie between a certain percent. So this question says, the middle 50% of UGPAs lie between what two z-scores? And they want the z-scores on the low end and on the high end. They already give us the answer here. If you see a little red mark on the top right corner, that means that this is the correct answer. Let me show you how they got the correct answers using statcrunch. So over here on the top right, you see this little graphic that shows the average and the standard deviation. So if you go to question help and get statcrunch going, you can find the normal calculator by going to stat, calculators, and then down to normal. In this normal calculator, you can put in the mean, standard deviation. Again, these two were given up on the top right. And we want to know what two values are between the 50%. So let's hit between. And here you can put in 50% as a decimal. And that will give you the low end and the high end. There you can see the low end to two decimal places, 3.26. And that's what we got, 3.26 when you round that 5 up to a 6. On the high end, 3.54. That's also correct. Rounding appropriately, 3.54. That's on the high end as well. Okay, hope that helps.